5 things that you need to know if you're moving to Florida. First, we like to affectionately call this the Florida 15. That's right, not the college 15, the Florida 15. Because here's what happens when you move to Florida. You're gonna happy hour. You're gonna go watch a sunset and you're gonna have a cocktail. You're gonna go to dinner all the time. And before you know it, that's right, that Florida 15, it creeps up on you. And it is a real thing. You're living like you're on vacation because let's face it, that's what the Florida lifestyle does for you. It's pretty fantastic. Happy hour always sounds like a good idea. And when other people come here and vacation, because you are now living where others vacation after all, they invite you out and you think, sure, why not? And now you're living like you're on vacation too. So just a word of warning, make sure you're getting in your steps so you can try to help combat that Florida 15. All right, the next thing that you need to know when you're moving to Florida is that you definitely need to spend some time and love, and you have to maintain your air conditioning. It is the hardest working appliance in your home, and trust me, you don't want it going out. So it does require some maintenance. And what does that look like? Well, for us, and we always recommend to people who buy and sell with us, that you set up with an air conditioning company that will maintain your system for you. They'll come out twice a year, they'll do a full flush of the system, and they will help you keep it in tip-top shape, because the reality is if you are maintaining it appropriately, it will last you a lot longer than if you're not, and you're not gonna wake up in the middle of the night because that's when stuff breaks down, sweating because your air conditioner has shut off. There's this slimy stuff that gets in the outside and that has to be sucked out. So you definitely wanna have a shop vac, because if it does shut down, that's usually the first place to look. And then we've been recommended to do some maintenance of flushing some vinegar into the system every month just to help keep those lines clear. But I promise you're gonna wanna make sure you are doing proper maintenance on that air conditioning, because it is not fun when it goes out. That is certain. All right, the next thing that you need to know about moving to Florida and to prepare yourself is that we are actually the lightning capital of the world. And this really took me by surprise when we moved here. I grew up in the Midwest where we had tornadoes and we had fierce thunderstorms, but there's something different about it when you're here in Florida. In the summer, in our subtropical climate, we get rain pretty much like clockwork. Every single afternoon, the clouds roll in, the thunder starts booming, the lightning starts striking, and it will downpour. Now, most of the time we're lucky enough, those downpours come in and they go out, and then we can enjoy that beautiful sunset and a nice happy hour. But it is no joke, the lightning here. In fact, when we first moved here, we were watching the news and we saw up in the corner they had a lightning counter, and the number was very high, and they were showing all the lightning strikes around the area. So you definitely want to take them seriously. It is not like a normal Midwestern thunderstorm, and take cover and try not to be out when those lightning strikes are going. All right, next, gas station food. I'm not talking about combos and Oreos from inside the gas station. I'm talking about full-fledged restaurants with some of the best food that you are gonna find in Southwest Florida. A couple of my favorite, some of the best tacos you'll ever eat, you can find at a gas station up off of 41. Some of the best fried chicken, maybe next to Public, but that is the crunchy, crispy chicken in Estero off of Corkscrew Road. And there are all kinds of great things. Next stop brunch in Estero, you can go and get some amazing breakfast sandwiches. And right next door inside the same gas station is an awesome, like, build your own, like, taco, burrito, salad, Mexican restaurant. So don't forget and don't overlook the gas station restaurants, because it is some of the best that we've got here in Southwest Florida. All right, lastly, and this is my biggest pro tip of all, something that you need to be aware of when you're moving to Florida. You don't want to make your guest room too comfortable. And I joke, but there is truth in humor. So we always kind of say to people, all kinds of people are going to come out of the woodwork once you move and you live in a place where others vacation. You're going to get a ton of people coming to visit, a ton of company, which is amazing. Wow. But if you make it too great If you make it too comfortable, you got your pool, you got a nice comfy bed, sunshine 300 days a year, they just might stay longer than they are welcome. So a couple tips for you, things you need to make sure you're aware of if you're moving to Florida or if you're considering moving to Florida. And I want to know, what other tips do you have? Because I'm sure that if you've already moved here, you maybe know, or if you've visited, you might have some that we can add to our list. You can find us on social media. You can always contact us directly at 239-776-6872. We want to know, what questions do you have about moving to and living in Southwest Florida so that we can help you live joy too.